Good morning friends, welcome back to my channel today. The topic is about burn more calories with a simple walking technique. Okay, very interesting, right? We do walking, but what is this simple walking techniques? So we are struggling every day to burn calories, right? We always think that okay, we have some gadgets, we will check whether how much calories we have taken and how much calories we are burning, whether we have walked 10,000 steps, 7,000 steps, all that, no? So we had to find out how do we burn the enough calories to boost our fitness without spending hours at the gym. We also don't want to spend hours together at the gym. Today we are talking about an easy science-backed walking techniques you probably haven't tried. This is called walking backwards. Okay, it's not walking front, it's walking backwards. Okay, let us dive into how this can help you, your joints, fitness, and even your brain. So why walk backwards? So one of the neurologists, okay, he is trained at a very famous hospital. He says reverse walking isn't just quirky, it's packed with real health benefits. And he says here is why. It strengthens leg muscles without straining your knees. Many people don't want to walk because they have a knee problem, right? Today, every time we go to a orthopedician doctor, we see many people coming for knee pain and knee surgery. So that's the biggest problem. So if you can get some idea where without getting a knee pain, if you are able to get some strength, it's good, right? People will also have arthritis, which is also a problem. Walk backwards to improve your posture and boost spinal mobility, keeping your musculoskeletal health in check. Okay, so to do this, we have to improve balance and coordination, right? So walking front, it is easy to balance, but when you are walking backwards, we have to balance and coordinate the direction. Walking in reverse challenges in your balance and coordination. It engages your muscles in new ways, training your brain and body to work together, reducing fall risk, correct? You should also not fall because you are not seeing there. Especially useful for old people. So doesn't mean that it's not suitable for young people, but it's always very useful for elderly people. So what's the, how can it help you to burn more calories and boost fitness? Did you know that walking backwards burns more calories than walking forward? Very surprising information, right guys? Because walking forward we can walk very fast and it is visible to us. But how does it backward walking will help to burn more calories? It pushes your heart rate up and improves aerobic capacity, okay, making it easier to meet your daily fitness goals without needing fancy equipment. Okay, this is the difference, guys. What about brain health benefits? This unique exercise isn't just physical, it also engages your brain. The unfamiliar movement pattern improves memory because when we are going backward, we always look at our brain to help us whether we are going in the right direction or are we going in the right direction. We are very attentive and the overall cognitive function will be working. It's like workout for your body and mind together. When you are walking front, so your eyes is there, so you are going in front, so there is no work for brain. But here, there is a lot of work for brain. It's a coordination between your brain and your body. Athletes can benefit too. Reverse walking builds strength, flexibility, and control. It helps to prevent injuries and can be an awesome addition to training and routine of athletics. Okay, so it's not just benefit for old people, it's also benefit for athletics. So how to start safely. And are you ready to try? Start slow. Okay, start with just 2 to 5 minutes per session. Don't immediately jump into 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes session. Start slowly because you need to practice. Start with 2 to 5 minutes session, then gradually build up. For most people, the time it will be 5 to 15 minutes to 2 to 3 times a week is enough. So don't aim for walking like the way you walk in front. If you are rehabilitating joints, increase to 15 to 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, but only under an expert guidance. Make sure that somebody is guiding you. Always walk in safe, obstacle-free areas. Make sure the areas are not having much traffic, so not the pits and falls. Okay, and if you are older or frail, get some assistance. Skip the exercise if you have major balance issues. If you have some issues like vertigo and all, please do not do this. If you have nerve problem, please try and do not try. If you have unstable heart, please do not try. So you have a simple, effective way to burn more calories. So walking backward is a simple and effective way to burn more calories. Strengthen your joints, improve your fitness, and even boost your brain power. Give backward walking a try and let us know how it goes in the comments of this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more awesome health tips. So as I said before, it's a lifestyle self-care channel. Please follow these simple techniques, and at the same time also be cautious. Inform your healthcare provider, doctor, that you are performing this, and many cases you follow this under a supervisory thing in the initial stage. Once you are confident, continue with this. This helps a lot, guys. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys.